In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link your social club account for GTA 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily establish a link between your social club account for GTA 5 on any platform. To do this, you have to visit the official Rockstar Games or social club website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go over to socialclub.rockstargames.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to sign into the account that you used to play GTA, known as your Rockstar Games account. So click on your icon, go over to Account, and on this drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Now switch over to Linked Accounts. Under Linked Accounts is where you will be able to manage the links established and link your social club account for GTA 5 to any platform where you play. So in here, you are going to have Xbox, PlayStation Network, Google, Twitch, and Amazon. You might be curious where the option to link it to Steam is. And to answer that question, if you want to link your social club account or your Rockstar Games account for GTA 5 to Steam, all that you have to do is launch GTA 5 through Steam for the first time, and you will get a pop-up asking you to confirm the link when the Rockstar Games launcher is installed and opens on your computer. But besides that, for Steam, you will have to do it for Xbox and PlayStation Network manually through this page. So just click each of these options and you will have to read through the terms and authorize this link. Once this is done, you will now be ready to use the same GTA or social club account on these platforms here to play GTA 5. This is especially useful if you are going to be transferring from old gen consoles to newer gen. So for example, if you play on a PlayStation 4 and you want to go to a PlayStation 5 and keep your progress of your profile by making sure that you are using the same PlayStation Network account linked to the Rockstar Games account to play, you will have the option to migrate your character. I hope I was able to help you on how to link your social club account for GTA 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.